3, 2, 1, we're live.
Yep.
We are live for the 4th grade state test. It's 2014 version. We're doing short responses and we're going to be going over the good and the bad answers and see what they get. So as always, we're going to go over the question itself on our own way and then see and then compare also.
Correct.
So let's do it. The table below shows the number of tickets sold at the movie theater on Friday. So Friday, okay, the adult tickets 976, children tickets 1678. All right, Saturday, The number of each type of tickets sold on Saturday is described below. Adult tickets, 2 times as many as the number of the adult tickets sold on Friday. Okay, so 2 times means times 2, right? So whatever this times
Okay,
2,
I got that
right?
right.
So
That's good.
what are we doing? We're doing it on the side, maybe. Maybe we do it here. Like, you know what I mean? Like 976 times 2, real quick. 12, 1, 14, 15, 1, 18, 19, right?
Nice.
1, 9, 5, 2. Children's tickets, 3 times as many as the number of the children's tickets sold on Friday. So 3 times, I guess.
You need an area model.
Why?
Because sometimes big numbers.
Nah, I will never make a mistake going like this, especially if you're focused and everything. You know, it's
Never making a mistake ever.
yeah, of course. 24 and 2, 21 and 2, 23, 3, 2, 18 plus 2, 20, 0, 2, 3 times 1, 3, 5,034. And complete the table will show the numbers of the tickets sold on Saturday. What is the total number of tickets sold over these 2 days? Ooh, total. So like, add everything up.
Pretty simple. I thought it was pretty simple. So we have to
I
add
guess. I mean,
I would just add up the Friday and Saturday adult tickets and the Friday and Saturday
nah. I
children's
mean,
ticket.
yes, but no at the same time because
Why?
like we have to do everything. So
Yeah.
hold on, not even like that. We need to go a little bit lower like this. Okay, so 1, 6, 7, 8,
Mhm.
5, 0, 3, 4,
Mhm.
1, 9, 5, 2, and 9, 7, 6. Like that? Is that everything?
Let me check. Yep.
Right?
Yeah, that's everything. Yeah,
So let's do it. 12 plus 2.
That's 10. Wait.
Okay, 8 plus 2 is 10, and 4 plus 2 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 and 10, 20. So 0, 2. All right, so 2 plus 7, 9, plus 3, 12, plus 5, 17, plus 7, 24.
No.
4, 2.
How's it 24? Whatever.
17 plus 7. 7 plus 7. What is 7 plus 7?
I get it.
14?
Yes,
Okay, so
yes.
2 plus 6, 8 plus 9
9
plus 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18
so
plus 18 plus 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 plus 6, 26. So 6, 2. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 1, 9. 9,600. This is like very easy for a 3-point question, isn't it?
I think I messed up something for some reason.
You have one mistake. You have
I
instead of
do not cheat it.
maybe I made a mistake. Who knows?
Check it. I need to see the answer. We need to see the answer for sure.
I got it right. You did not get it right.
Wait, what did I do wrong? Wait, what was the math here? Let me see that.
Look at this guy. He started division and was like, no. No.
He's smart.
Yeah, times 2, times 3, and edit everything out. This is exactly how we did it, just very, very unorganized.
What did I do wrong?
You made a small mistake somewhere, and then it led to a mistake.
Oh, I know what I made. Yeah, I got 2 points, I guess. For this question, I got
You would
2
get
points.
2. Yeah, you would get 2.
Yeah, because I showed my thinking and
Yes,
that
area
was
models.
a close answer.
Look at those.
Finally, someone's using an area model.
I don't know. I think it's too much. I
Oh,
think it's like makes
He
it so much more
showed
difficult.
2 ways. That's great.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you're right. No,
No. Yeah.
this is
Pretty
addition
much.
already.
Yeah. Oh, that's adding. Oh.
Excuse me. All right, so what's the problem here?
Okay, so we need So he did.
Just calculational error, I think.
How? Wait, let's see what.
Because there's no.
Wait, what did I do wrong? Oh.
This looks right. This
And
looks
the
right.
answer's wrong.
The answer is wrong. It's probably
They got
it's
everything right.
miscalculation. There's nothing else you can. There's no other problem you can. Like, there's no other mistake you can. Are we really gonna move the camera?
No.
So you're gonna. There's only one way to make a mistake here, and it's.
To
Yeah.
finish
Can
the
you-
adding.
Hold on. All right, we're moving on. Calculations. Nothing really interesting. Calculation.
Oh, he got that wrong. Too much.
I don't know. Did not add maybe probably. No, they didn't even do times 2 times 3. Even though it says 2 times 3 times.
Right in his face. Oh.
What is that? That's
He's-
nothing.
Oh, he got the wrong answer and he didn't. He showed his work with nothing.
Times 3 and then again times 3. Although it says 2 and 2 and 3. That's it. That was That was,
I think the last person should have got at least a 1 or 2. That because he got one of the parts correct that he had to multiply while the others didn't get it right.
maybe.
That had a 0.
All right.
He
Let's
should
do.
have got 1.
Let's do this question.
Uh,
In September, Jerry read 2/5 of an hour every day for 20 days. How many hours did he read in September? So 2/5 of an hour, we're gonna just multiply by 20.
Oh. Is that it?
It's gonna be 40 over 5, which is 8.
That was the answer.
8 hours, yeah?
I think I got a 0 for some reason.
In October, Jerry read 3/5 of an hour for
So we're
day for
supposed
20
to
days. How many more? How many more? Don't forget how many more.
Yeah.
So it's 3/5 times 20. We get 60 over 5, which is 12.
I thought to multiply.
12
the
minus 8 is 4.
I thought you had to multiply the months. My bad.
All right. The right answers. What is that?
This is no.
That's correct. That's correct. 8,
Oh.
4.
That's another 3-point
Yeah.
question. Oh great.
Yeah, there are 2. Look at this.
Voila.
This is
Whoa.
also not that hard.
0.8 point. Oh. Why are they using point? Why are they using this?
Yeah, no need.
Still, got the right answer.
No, someone just converted 3/5 into 0.6 and then multiplied.
It's fine. Oh, wait, you could do division? Okay, this one might
Mhm.
get a 2, I think. Yeah, this one's gonna get a 2 for all draw. This one's getting a 2 for sure. If I'm correct.
In September. Jerry read for 2/5 to 1 hour every
He
day.
might get a 2. He might get a 2. He's gonna get a 2. He showed his work.
Mm-hmm.
So, and he's gonna get...
Didn't subtract. Forgot to subtract because it says how many more.
I got the wrong answer, so I could... But I got... Yeah, I didn't...
2/5 times 20. Look at this. Someone just didn't know that 40 divided by 5 is not 9, it's 8.
That's crazy.
And then did this correctly too. And and just subtracted 9 and got 3. So everything would be right here except like if you would just get
If you
this.
didn't screw that up, then you would have been the...
Oh my god. He just decided to add 2/5 20 times.
Why?
What is that?
I'm scared of him.
I'm scared of that guy who is not scared of writing 2/5 times 20 doing
It's at 20.
addition.
It's at 20, actually.
Lot.
Look, 38.
Yeah, but maybe miscounted. 1, 2, 3, 4,
That's
5,
crazy.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Ball.
So just miscalculated. Just miscalculated. Can you imagine?
Why do you do
I'm
that?
afraid of a guy who is willing to do it twice. Who is willing to add 3/5 20 times instead of multiplying. It means that
I'll do it.
yeah, but it
You're
means
afraid
that
of me, that means?
I'm afraid of that person because
That means you're afraid of me. I did that once on my sneak test.
no
I did
way.
it once on my
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
You're gonna be afraid of me on my third grade state test.
You're not gonna do.
I did that on my third grade
You're
state
not gonna
test.
do addition instead of multiplication. You know what I mean?
It's repeated addition.
Next.
I did that on my third grade state test, so you'll get freaked out by me.
40 over 5 is not 40 because 40 over 5 comma 40. What is that? Just say 8. Just say 8. Just say 8 instead of 40 over 5. What are you doing? What are you doing?
You could have said equal. You could have said equals to 40 over 5 equals 8.
23? Really? Like 3/5 plus 20. 23.
Wow.
23. That's like math. You know, it's not math, it's meth.
What's math?
It's not math, it's meth.
Ow. Wait, what? What's math? I'm the old one. What's math?
It's a wrong, like it's writing math wrong because and so wrong because like who does that? 3/5 plus 20. He just, oh my god, he just broke 3,000 mathematical rules by adding 3 and 20.
That's crazy.
Because what do you have to do? You have to convert 20, even if you have to add, right? You have to convert 20 into an improper, not an improper. You have to convert 20 as a 20 over 1, then make common denominators, right?
Yeah.
You get 60 over
I'm
3.
scared.
So it's not math.
It's meth.
It's math.
It's meth.
Math.
It's crazy. That's
Or-
breaking the
Or like this. Math.
mass.
Math. It's math.
Sour boy. Mass. Why is he doing that?
How about
Math.
math? This is math.
Math?
Math.
Math.
PH. Math.
PH. Math puff. Math puff. I'll just call it math puff. Okay, you're getting a 0. What?
Whoa, what did you get? 1?
That's crazy.
After I would
You-
see this, I'll be like -5, bro.
I'll give it. You're breaking laws of math. You get an. How do you rate
All right,
a
what is that? What is that?
child?
Okay, so here the idea to multiply by 20 was correct. Although when you multiply by 20, you have to multiply not by 20 over 20 because 20 over 20 is technically a 1.
Yeah.
You have to multiply by 20 over 1. That's 20.
How do you get
140 hours. Can you imagine?
Breaking the laws of physics now.
2/5. You read 2/5 of an hour for 20 days, and you read for 140 hours.
He's breaking the laws of math again.
Again.
They're breaking.
20, 100.
Now I get this. Thank you.
And here.
I wish you didn't break the laws of math. That's great.
I don't know. I don't understand what it is. Like what's going
Oh,
on?
I get it.
What is that?
No,
8,
do not get it.
8 over 20.
Oh, he
I don't
multiplied
know.
the denominator.
So
He did 4 over 1 on 2 bits and got that.
I don't know.
That's why. I don't know.
another case of meth.
No, it's mass.
Mess.
Or you could call it Mattis. AKA my name.
Okay. Just nothing. Just nothing. Just like what is that?
I praise the gods. of
This guy was fun.
fun. And I don't know how he got 1.
What if that would be not times 20? What if it would be times 35? You think he would actually done 35
Yes.
35 times?
Yes.
What if it would be 150 times 150?
I think you would do it either
Like
way.
2/5 plus 2/5
He might have
plus
done like
2/5.
he might have simplified.
150.
He might have simplified it like to like 4/5 instead, so it's 50.
Wow,
He
this AC is like blowing.
What, you asked for it?
Yeah, but it's like too much. Okay, do we have time for one more?
We have time for 2 more, I think.
No, no.
1 more. Can we do the
One more.
last one? Can we do?
That was the last one.
No. What do
There.
you think?
There.
The 0 zeros? No, I don't want to do that
Why not? What
one.
do
I
you mean?
want to do. Wait,
That's the one of the hours.
that's.
Okay, a grocery store had cans of soup.
Please.
Why?
0,
Yeah, but you probably got that right, so it's fine. Okay, so a grocery store had cans of soup on 7 different shelves. The bottom 4 shelves each had 29 cans. The top 3 shelves had each 42 cans. What was the total? What is that? Questions like 3rd grade questions here. No? Like this is 4th grade. What kind of problem is that?
It's 3rd grade.
If you made a mistake on this problem while being in 4th grade,
You're left behind.
just stop school. That's it. Just don't go anymore.
Don't go
Yeah.
anymore for that. You gotta study hard.
So,
Let's hope there's a lot of.
okay. So 29 times 4.
What's the
36,
most
6,
points?
3. 2 times 4, 8 plus 3, 11. So 116
Yeah.
and 3 times 42. That I can do as a mental math. 3 times 40 is 120. And 3 times 2, 626.
Oh,
The
funny.
total, 2,
It's funny.
1, 4,
242.
242.
What?
Second is after 56 cans of soup were sold, a clerk moved remaining cans to a display case. The display case had shelves that could each hold 9 cans. How many shelves were needed to fit the remaining cans? Okay, so 56 were sold. So what do we do?
Grocery one? Grocery store with the cans?
So we have to subtract, right? Sold. Sold.
No.
So 3,
Oh yeah, first subtract and then
12,
use long division.
6, borrow, 13, 8, 1. 186. 186 divided by 9. 2, 18, 0, 6, remainder, right? Well, no, 9 goes into 6 0
Zero
times
times,
and
so
then
yeah.
remainder.
Remainder 6.
So we need 21 shelves then.
Exactly, that's right.
You wrote the 41. Very good. So you understand it.
Wait,
Oh,
what?
this is way like it's not way harder, obviously, but it's like this part is definitely harder than this.
It's like the 4th grade part.
Let's see.
Wait, wait, I want to see how much.
242, 21.
My boy.
Oh, this is another 3-point question. This is a third 3-point question.
No, 4th. The last one's probably the 3-point question.
Hmm.
I don't know.
Well, same thing as we did. All right. So, what is that? Look, another guy.
Oh.
Another one that decided
creeper.
that people who invented multiplication were wrong
Why?
for doing
People that invented addition are right.
because
Why?
why are you doing this?
Why? Why, you kiddo?
And that's why you made a mistake.
No,
Hold
you
on one
didn't.
second.
No,
242.
No.
Just re-rolled them? Re-rolled them correctly?
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Hmm.
That's kind of sus.
That's correct. Oh, look at this.
That's crazy. No, I disagree with that. I disagree with that.
I mean, got it right.
Nah, but he didn't put it in.
Don't scream.
He didn't put it in the where it says answer. That's the thing.
All right. Okay,
Yep.
242. 7.
Wait, how do you get
No.
7? I'm curious.
Just divided 56
Oh.
by 9 instead of like dividing
You
all.
have to divide first.
Not interesting. What is that?
Wait, did he get a 3 or 2?
232. A little mistake here.
That's fine.
20. A little mistake here.
Oi. You got. How do you get 2? I have a question.
Two is too much for this.
Yeah,
1.
that's 1. Minimum 1.5. Because it doesn't make sense. Really.
So this guy just ignored the existence of shelves.
Wow.
Just did 29 plus 42, and I'm good with this.
Wow, that's crazy.
Division. How do you get none right, and get 1 point?
And
Not the right way, not the right work,
it's crazy.
not the right answers,
It doesn't make sense.
and you get 1 for what? For participation?
No. No, for showing work. Bob.
Yeah.
But you didn't get the right answer. It's nuts.
In other countries, doing this work is not only it's going to be 1. I think you're going to be expelled from your school if you do this. But only in United States you get 1 point for participation.
No, I point for showing work.
What work? What do you mean?
It's work.
Yeah, but
It's showing you.
work that's not
That's
that close.
nothingless. It's
All right.
very poor.
Yeah. Next, what is that?
Okay, what's this?
72 cans of tea.
Oh, great. You'll be expelled
29
in
cans.
Europe.
Soup of soup.
Soup. Soy,
Soup?
soy, soup.
What is soup?
Soy. Soup.
This is soup.
How's it
soup?
You spelled it wrong. It's right.
Soup. This is so funny.
Slop?
Soup.
Soap?
Not soap.
It says soap.
Yeah, but 2 O's. It's ooh.
Soup.
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 Oh my god, that's funny.
Soup.
Cans of soup.
Of soup. Soup. Of soup.
Cans remaining. That means they will have to. They will have to take up another shelf. And 1.
I'm done with this. How does he get 1?
Wow.
How? I'm actually curious now.
Wow.
I'm curious.
Wow.
It probably has to be his mother. It has to be. It's possible.
Wow.
It has to be his mother.
Do you understand that 1 out of 3 points is technically is like 33% correct, right? If we,
What?
I mean, like
He did
three
show
three
us.
points, right? Like 1 point is like 1/3 correct, but this is not 1/3 correct.
It's 0 out of 3. Third
Soup.
correct. Soup.
Okay.
Wow, this one did.
No, no.
Okay,
But wait, what's the?
fine.
Yeah, but what is the difference between this one and the other one?
I don't know.
Another one. 71.
Oh.
Nothing.
What? No, that's crazy. That's
Okay.
crazy.
All right, that will be it. That's exactly our time, and we are going to get back to this next week. You know, this is the only fourth grade that we're doing, and